This is my review of my new Hotpoint tumble dryer. It's the Hotpoint heat pump active care model, and it's A++ 8 kilo, and the model number is NTM1182XBUK. It's the new heat pump tumble dryer. It runs 12 pence an hour. The times on the programs may look very long, but they're only estimated, and it soon changes. It's very quiet while it's dried. I am very impressed. I am now going to put this on a bed and bath program to show you. It says change it. Bed and bath, 4 hours 4 minutes. Now set this off. Saves so much electric. Very impressed. Like I say, well done Hotpoint, best tumble dryer to date. A very happy customer. Clothes come out so soft and fluffy, and they feel like brand new all over again. There you go, it just sounds like the silencer has kicked in, goes even quieter. On it: mixed, eco-cotton, synthetics, wool, silk, anti-allergy, daily, cuddly toys, pre-iron, refresh, duvet, bed and bath, baby, jeans and shirts. Very easy to use, and as you can see, from 4 hours 4 minutes, it's now self-adjusted within minutes to 52 minutes. So when you see the times, don't be alarmed. Best machine ever, as I said before, well worth the money, and thank you again Hotpoint, very happy customer.